Welcome everyone to the series of videos on Balatro game. I am making this set of recordings just to keep my accent fresh. I was recording myself while I was playing World of Warcraft quite some time ago, and I was reading all the quests there just to hear myself. And basically the main purpose of this series is once again to for me to be able to listen to myself. I talk a lot in English while playing games. I need my accents to be like decent, not very good. I need my English to be decent, not very good for work. But I think it's not that bad right now. I noticed that I was losing some of the accent that I have developed during the World of Warcraft series. And I think this accent that I have developed there was a very, very good thing. It came handy. I have maybe somehow expanded my vocabulary, although it's not very great in English still. But yeah, I can express my thoughts better now, especially my accent. I think it's way better, and it's easier for me to communicate with people. I need it for work, hence I think this is a good idea to make a set of videos, and if I can post it online, I mean, I have nothing against it. Lately I've been playing the Balatro game, and I like it. I like this game quite a lot. I have made some achievements already, and this video, by the way, is the setup video. I would like to share my collection, my progress on the game, and I would like to express my goals with the game. Actually, I want the goals to be endless, so I can record endlessly. But yeah, let me share with you. So basically, let's press on the collection. Here we have all the progress that I have made so far. I mean, some of the progress. Some of it is not here, but elsewhere. But as you can see, a lot of the things I have already unlocked. I haven't bought some of the vouchers. I haven't bought some of the jokers. And I think there is a single joker that I didn't even unlock yet. Yeah, this is the one. Discard 5 checks at the same time. I have played with every deck. I have bought a lot of vouchers. There are some which I didn't buy yet. 1, 2, and there was the third one. Yeah, it's here. A total of 20 playing cards from the shop. This is the thing that I need to unlock this joker. I haven't done it yet. Okay, so let's take a peek at... This is the collection. Enhanced cards. I have my... what is this? Oh, I have bought every edition of every joker, a negative one. Polychrome, holographic, foil, and the base joker. I have bought every type of a booster pack. I have bought every type of a tag. There are a total of 24. 3, 6 times 4, 24. And I have made it to blind 16 on a non-seeded run. I have actually accomplished the not a number infinity run, the one in which the number is so big, the number of the dollars that I get in a run is so big the game doesn't comprehend it. I think it's made on purpose, not... I mean, obviously, if... This is basically... By the way, this is a part of my job, of my work. I need to know this, that it's not like the game magically has developed this ability to display not a number infinity and change the colors here. This is 100% on purpose, and if it wasn't, then the game would just crash. You would get the information that something has happened within the game, that an exception was thrown, and the game can't continue because for example, in the game some operation, some procedure was trying to divide by 0, or was using something which is called NaN or inf, which is basically an unknown value, and it could be not a number or infinity, and it was used as if it was a number. Obviously such situations cannot happen, we need to handle them within the code, and the way the programmers of Balatro game has handled them was to capture, basically to recognize that this happened, and they made this thing in which you can use it in game to reach a special state of the game. Yeah, and this is called NAN inf run, NAN infinity. Okay, let's take a look at what progress do I have on the decks. I have accomplished all there is to accomplish with the first two. I mean, except maybe for using every joker there. But yeah, I have made it up to the gold stake run with the blue deck and the red deck. I have some progress on my yellow deck, on all of the others. Basically, I have completed the white stake, which is the base difficulty of Balatro, with every other deck. I have a little more progress on some of the decks. Like here, I have completed 3 stages of the difficulty, and for example, for this one, I have completed only a single one. For this one, I have completed 3 once again, and so on. Okay, I didn't do any challenges. I can see that I have unlocked 5 of them. Let's take a peek at the challenges. Okay, and here are some challenges. I haven't completed any of them yet. Actually, there is an exclamation mark here next to the collection. I have unlocked another 2 new jokers. I have just done it. Oh, this is not the one. I have unlocked... Oh, I see. I have unlocked those 2, but I didn't buy them yet, hence they are not discovered. I know what they do, but yeah, let's not worry about it. And here I see that I have something locked in the middle of the screen, and this is for the voucher. This is the one, right? I'm not sure if it is telling me to do this. Why do I have this card in the middle of my screen? It is always there. I don't know why. Well, it doesn't matter. Here we have some profiles, collection 96%, challenges 0, I haven't done any of them, joker stickers. Oh, that's another thing that you can accomplish, and this is basically the goal of my series, to accomplish a gold stake run. I mean, I'm not sure if it is even possible. I think it is, because every joker can be negative. Negative joker doesn't take space, so you can have infinite number of negative jokers. So you 100% can accomplish all the gold stake runs with every single joker. I mean, not one run with every joker, but yeah, you get what I mean. I hope you get you get every joker in a different run at gold stake. And let's take a peek at what gold stakes do I have now. I'm not gonna go through the entire collection and search for the golden stakes, gold stakes jokers, gold stakes that are the jokers which were used in the gold stake run. I know that I have accomplished a run with spare trousers, and here on the top you can see a gold sticker. This joker was used to win a gold stake difficulty run. And this is what I want to achieve with every single joker. This is my final sort of achievement. Yeah. Okay. What I mean, I have went through my entire collection and through my achievements, but I didn't talk about what Balatro actually is. Let's try to make a single run in this video. I'm not sure how long is it gonna last. I am recording for 10 minutes, which is completely fine. I can start a new run. And every next video is going to be about... I mean, it's going to start with the run. I'm not going to do any editing with the videos. I don't care about it. I don't care whether I have viewers or not. To be honest, I just want to hear myself. And once again, I am putting this on YouTube just because I can, and there is no, there is no penalty for doing so. By the way, I am intending to upload only the runs which are successful, except for this single video, in which I might even in this video I might even restart the run a couple of times. I'm going to do something rather easy. I was thinking that maybe I would try to do this achievement for a Joker. I mean this... yeah, this achievement, discard 5 checks at the same time, and this is the last Joker for me to be unlocked in the shop, so I can buy it. I mean, these are not discovered just because I didn't purchase them yet from the shop. And this is locked because I didn't unlock the achievement yet. Discarding 5 checks, this is the one option, and this would be done on the white difficulty, probably on the plasma deck, because I think it's the easiest to keep the run going on the plasma deck if you get unlucky with the Jokers, and I don't want to restart a lot of times, especially in the middle of the run or in the later part of the run, just to start over. Once again, I need to discard 5 jacks, and I will definitely do it on the white stake. And the other possibility is to... Actually, I want the first video to be on the white stake, because in the next video I could explain the stakes a little bit more. Just not to give so much information in a single go, I will start with the white stake. So white stake is a base difficulty of a deck, and it doesn't change anything. The deck is as it is. There are no changes to the basic rules. So let's try it. And I am going for the 5 jacks, I think. Discard 5 jacks. Do I need the jacks to be of any specific type? For example, do they need to have the same suit or something like that? No, it's just 5 jacks of any kind. Okay, I see. I'm gonna go for the white stake plasma deck. Actually, okay, for the plasma deck there is an additional rule. I don't want it right now. Just to keep it clean, I'm gonna start with the red deck. I want to explain the rules starting from the beginning, not from some kind of a modification to the base rules. I mean, every deck has some kind of a modification, but the red deck has... the modification is so plain simple. I mean, it's just fine to start with the weight difficulty of the red deck. That's one thing. I could also start with erratic deck. Whenever you are starting with a deck, you get all 52 cards, like 4 cards of every rank, right? You get 4 2s, 4 3s, 4 10s, and 4 aces, and so on. So there's a total of 22. Basically 1 for each color. This is just a regular deck of cards, like if it was used, I don't know, in poker. Okay, and there is this erratic deck which shuffles, I mean, not shuffles, it randomizes the ranks and suits in the deck. So you get a total of 52 cards, but the cards are... You don't necessarily have to have like 4 aces. You might have 7 aces, and 5 of them might be spade, right? And this is fine to use in this achievement, because I would fish for a deck which has more jacks from the get-go, starting from the get-go. There are ways in the Balatro game to modify your deck, basically, to make the deck different, right? To copy the card, to change, to delete the card, to change one card to another, and so on. And there are actually quite a lot of ways to do it. There are jokers which are doing it, there are vouchers, not necessarily vouchers, I mean, not vouchers at all. These are the packs, right? You can get a tarot pack, a planet pack, or a spectral pack to modify your cards. And there is this classic pack, I think it's called classic, I don't remember exactly, or a card pack. Let's take a look at the collection. And this is for the booster packs. So these are for the tarots. Then these are for the planets. The planets do not modify your deck, but they strengthen the figures of the poker figures that you can that you are using to score. For example, you can make the pair a little bit stronger, or I don't know, a flush house a little bit. A flush house. This is another thing that doesn't exist in normal poker, but does exist in Balatro. Basically, a full house which consists of the cards of the same suit, just because you can modify them, right? And yeah, it's called standard pack, and this one is used to add a card to your deck, and then there are spectral ones, and there are also packs which add a single joker to your hand. Okay, so this would be a good idea to fish for a deck which has a lot of jacks. Let's try it once. Now I can click on the view deck on the bottom right here, and I can see how many jacks do I get. I have only 4 jacks, I have gotten 8 kings, 6 aces, only a single 10. I don't think this is a good seed, because, I mean, I don't think this is a good RNG, because I have only a single 10. There's no way to decrease the rank of a card, but there is a way to increase the rank of the card. So I could convert the single 10 into a jack. I could have more 10s, more jacks. Let's try to restart. This is not the best one. You run, play. And once again, let's click here. Oh, here I have 7 jacks. This is better. So as you can see, this is my deck right now. It consists, for example, of 14 diamonds, 16 spades. I have a little bit less hearts and clubs, but this is roughly balanced. Obviously, the ranks are also roughly balanced. I think this is a uniform distribution of the RNG, hence I am expecting a normal distribution of every single outcome. I am not expecting anything extreme, okay? And basically this is within reason to get this. I see that I have a little bit more high cards than the low cards. I have a lot of 8s though. 4 aces, 4 kings, 3 queens, 7 jacks. So this is 2 more than average. On average I would get like 8, 16, and here I have 10, 18, right? 2 more. Then I have a lot of 8s, a lot of 9s, but I have not that much 2s, 4s, 6s, 5s. So the lower scores are below average. I like it. I think it's fine. The higher the card, the more points it gets you at the end. So it's better to have higher cards. In general, okay? I mean, obviously you could have a setup which is dedicated for the lower cards, but I mean, it's random. I mean, you play what the game gives you. You don't plan ahead. You can have there are some like templates, patterns that everybody knows, or at least I know, that can be used. Let's take a look at the distribution of the cards within each suit. I don't have a single king of spades. I don't have a single king of hearts. All the kings are in diamonds and the clubs. And I have no queens in diamonds. I think this is a very bad idea to go for the royal flush. I mean, right now it's impossible for me to play a royal flush, however lucky I am, unless I get some card which converts the suits. I would like to get rid of the clubs ASAP. I mean, if I get the option to get rid of some color, I am getting rid of the clubs just to increase the probability of getting a flush or a royal flush. I mean, anything flush related. Okay, I see. So this is my deck. Okay, all ranks are randomized. There are no other modifications to the deck. Now I have 2 options. I can either start a small blind, start a single instance of a game. Let's name the entire thing a match, and this is going to be a game. I think that's fair to introduce those names. I can either start a game or skip a game. I can skip every game except for the boss game. Within each like section there are 3 games. There is a total of 8 sections for for the like classic mode, and then you can go endless. After you finish the eighth ante, it's called ante. You can move. You can go further, but the game, I mean, it is considered for you to have won the game. For example, it could be useful when you have very interesting setup and you just wonder how far can you get with this setup, how much more points could you get, and the game lets you test it by increasing the difficulty, and the increase of the difficulty after Ante 8 is rather steep. Up to the Ante 8, I mean, the difficulty increases. As you can see here, I have the difficulty of 300. I need to get a total of 300 points. And here I need to get 450, here I need 600, and then after those three I get to the next ante. The scores are even higher. The scores that I need to get are even higher. Yeah. And here we can see a rather a linear increase. I don't remember exactly what's the next ante. I think it's 800, maybe 9. I mean, this is definitely linear, right? So plus 150, plus 150. Then it's non-linear, but it's not that steep, right? And after the Ante 8, I think it's very steep. From Ante to Ante, you get like the increase of 10 fold or even more. Okay, so I can start the game, and then I would need to score 300 points. For the game, I would get some gold. Right now, I have $4. Dollars, right? I get some amount of the currency of the game, in-game currency. Right now I have $4 just for the start, for the as a good luck gift from the game. You start with 4, and how much do you get? For the first blind you get 3. For the second blind you get 4. For the last one you get 5. I didn't even notice whether the reward changes. I think you get more for beating the Ante 8, and it's the same for every other Ante. I am not sure though. Maybe it changes from Ante to Ante. I am not 100% sure. I think it doesn't. Okay, and this is this you get for sure if you beat the boss, and on top of that you get a single dollar for every $5 you have. So it's a good idea to build some economy at the very beginning, to not spend your gold, just so you get more gold afterwards. So you can choose it, then you will get rewarded with some cash. This cash can be spent on jokers, cards, on everything in the game while you are in the shop. You get into the shop after every game. Okay, so this is one option, and the second option is to skip the blind. You can skip everything except the bosses. So you have to beat the boss, the boss blind every time. And here is the reward that you get for skipping. You have to realize that being in the shop and being able to get money is good. It's not I mean, it's a challenge to beat the blind. It seems easy to skip it, but then you would have to beat the boss anyways, which is harder than the blind. Yeah, so it's actually very costly to skip the blind. Sometimes it might be worth. As you can see, in the next shop I will get a free joker, and this joker will become even stronger. It gets plus 10 of something, plus 10 mode, which I will explain in just a second. And for this one I would get extra $25 for beating the boss. You can see that the $25 is actually quite a lot, right? I get $3 for beating the small blind, and then an extra of maximum of 5. Actually, I didn't tell that. The interest has a limit of $5 at the beginning of the game. So once you are at $25, the interest doesn't increase anymore. You get a single dollar for every 5, up to 25. Okay. I am going to just start the game. Oh, I didn't say that. You also get a single dollar for every hand that you have left after beating the boss. Okay, so let's take a look at the game. I need to score 300. If I select some cards, you can see that this selection of up to 5 cards has some evaluation. In this specific case, I have selected 2 kings, and hence this evaluation is a pair. Now, in the scoring, I will only count the cards which are included in the pair. Hence, in the scoring, I will just take into account the kings. And basically, the worth of each card is the value of the card. So the 4 is it has a value of 4, the 6 has a value of 6, 8 has a value of 8, and then the face cards are worth 10, all of them, and the ace is worth 11. The ace is worth 11 as far as I remember, regardless of being used as in a straight as a 1 or just as an ace. It's always 11, I think. It's never a 1. Okay, so how do you calculate the score? You select the cards, right? I have 2 kings. You can see that this is the value of this specific figure, poker figure, a pair, and it is worth 10 times 2. Those kings will give me plus 10 to the blue box here, and we are naming this box chips. And the red box is a multiplier. So a pair has a base multiplier of 2. If I take a look at the run info, I can see that, for example, a straight flush has a multiplier of 8, the straight has a multiplier of 4, so different ranks have different multipliers. I can increase the strength of every figure by... I mean, there are ways of doing it. I will show them later. But at level 1, these are the base mults. Yeah. I can increase those numbers, both chips and multiplier, with special jokers, with card modifications and so on. There are many things. So I could play it. I could also play 2 pairs right here. The 2 pair has a value of 20 times 2. I mean, this is the base value, 20, and I will add 10, 10, 10, and 10, that's 40, so I would get 60 times 2, that's 120. I have 4 hands to get 300, the score of 300, of a total of 300. This is one action that I can take, and the other action is I can discard. I like that I have those. I know that... Let's take a look at the full deck. I know that I have only 3 queens, but I have 7 jacks. So I see 2 possibilities. I mean, right now I see 2 possibilities. I can either dump the queens and count on getting a single jack. I mean, 2 jacks. So out of the 6 that I have in the deck, I didn't say that actually. Why am I doing it? My idea is to get a full house. Let's take a look at the full house. It has a base chips of 40 and a multiplier of 4. I need to get to 300. Hence getting a 75 times 4 is enough. At the very beginning I have 40, so I need only 35 from my cards to get to 300. I want to use as little hands, I want to use as few hands as I can, because I get an additional $1 for every hand. I am trying to get basically the score in a single hand. This is my goal. So if I go for a full house kings of queens or queens of kings, it doesn't matter, then I have 1, 2, 3 outs in the entire deck. As you can see, for each discard I could discard 4 cards, right? So I can discard a total of 12. I have 3 discards. And I have 44 cards left in the deck. I can look at it, at this problem like this, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 3 outs. I have a lot more outs if I go for the jacks, but then I don't need a single... I mean, first of all, I am discarding 5 in this way. But I have more outs, but I need to get 2 jacks. And if you think about the probabilities, the probability of getting 2 cards of the same type is actually way lower than a single one. Why? Imagine, I mean, I'm not gonna go through this specific scenario because it has some specific numbers which would need to be multiplied. But let's imagine I have a single out and this out is 2 of diamonds, okay? So the probability of getting a single 2 of diamonds, actually I have a single 2 of diamonds, so it's a bad idea to do it. I have 2 jacks of hearts, okay? So let's imagine that I need a jack of hearts, and specifically jack of hearts. So the probability of getting a single jack of hearts is 2 over 44, right? So it's basically 1 in 22. A 5% chance of getting a jack of hearts for every single discarded card. But if you want 2, then you would need, the probability would be 1 over 44 times 1 over 22, or 2 over the 44, times 1 over 43. This would be the probability of, the base probability. Within the probability I would get this multiplication. So instead of 1 in 22, it changes to, let's say, 2 over 4 times 4 is 16, in like 1600, right? Roughly. Yeah, so the probability is 80 times lower to get 2 jacks if I discarded 2 cards, right? If I discarded 2 cards versus, the scenarios are I am discarding a single card, I am trying to get a single jack. This is 1 in a 22, and I am discarding 2 cards and I am trying to get 2 jacks, and the probability is like 100 times lower, roughly 100 times lower. Yeah. So getting 2 jacks is actually way harder than getting a single king or a queen. But on the other hand, I have a lot more odds. I have a total of 6 jacks versus 2 plus 1 kings and queens. I will try to go for jacks and kings. I think this is a good idea. I have gotten a single king, which means that I have now 7 outs, because quad kings are also obviously enough. I have 7 outs in 2 discards, and I am discarding 4 cards in every time. This is actually quite a lot. The chances are very good of getting, and we have gotten the full house. If it comes to the first round, you can do such a calculation, but it's gonna be unnecessary later on in the game. But you just have to understand it, right? That you are working with odds and probabilities in this game to maximize your score. Obviously, the maximization that I am doing in my head is not optimal. It's not perfect, but it's something. Now let's count the score. I actually have 2 different full houses that I can use here, and both of them contain 3 kings. So let's try to calculate the score. The full house is times 4. This is, on the base I have 40, 50, 60, 70, 73, 76 times 4 is 304, I think, right? So this is actually enough. I will play it just to show you, but let's calculate the score for this full house. So it's 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 times 4. This is 360, and which is obviously also enough. I'm going to play 3s. It doesn't matter. It matters a little bit, but I'm not going to talk about it right now. As you can see, 304 as it was calculated. I will go a little bit faster now. Actually, not yet. I won't speed up yet, because there is a shop that I need to discuss. In the shop, I have 3 I have an option to go to the next round, and basically this skips or moves on from the shop. I have a total of $10. So it might not be that bad of an idea to go next round, just because I get an extra interest. I never do it. Okay, and I have some other options. I can spend my gold. I can spend the gold on the voucher. You get a single voucher for every boss that you defeat, and you get a single voucher at the very beginning of the game. So I can spend all $10, so that for the rest of the game I get an extra hand. At the very beginning I had 4, and I would get an extra one by buying this voucher. If I wanted to go for the voucher, I don't think it's worth it right now, because the voucher is not going to reroll until I defeat the boss. This voucher will stay until I defeat the boss. After I defeat it, then this voucher will get replaced by another one. Okay, I can buy things from here, which are basically you get what you see, right? This is a you get what you see deal. I can buy a tarot card. This specific one creates 2 extra tarot cards. I think this is a good idea. And then I can buy this joker. The joker goes here. I can have a total of 5 jokers right now. And this one modifies the game so that I get a single free reroll in the shop. I can reroll. I can basically reroll only those cards, those which are on the what you see is what you get deal. And I can buy some packs. Packs are usually, or is it always? Yeah, packs are always a risk. You might get what you want, you might not get what you desire, you might get something else, okay? And you have to work with the game. Obviously, here in this section, you can get a lot of different things. So you have to go along with the game. You have to play what the game gives you, and you can't pre-plan your run basically. In this specific run, I have a single task to. I think it was to discard. Let's take a look once again on in the collection. Was it to discard 5 jacks or play 5 jacks? I think it was to discard 5 jacks at the same time. So I have some pre-made goal. I will have to go for it. But if you want to beat the run, then you shouldn't do it. You should go with what the game gives you. And my strategy for this game is going to be the following. I will try to keep the run alive for as long as I can. I will try to multiply to copy the jacks, to make as many jacks as I can in my collection. And at one point, if I think that the draw is good, that I have a high chance of getting this achievement, then I will discard 5 jacks. I don't even care about finishing this on the anti-8. I have already done it. It's not very exciting for me. Obviously, if I can, then I will try beating anti-8. I won't count endless. I mean, unless I get a very fun run, I am not going to go endless. Okay, let's speed up because it's already 40 minutes. With me talking about the game. Once again, if you are wondering why is this guy mumbling so much, well, this is all for me to test my English in a longer talk. I needed it for work, so I already can see, I can hear, I can feel that I am losing some of my initial accent in favor of the Polish one, because my issue is that I have a very strong Polish accent. I have never practiced it, despite me maybe not speaking, knowing English quite well. I have troubles with me communicating to other people in English, despite me knowing the language quite well. I want to be more confident in my ability to express my thoughts. Okay, I talk a lot. Right now I'm thinking, is there any difference between picking the Emperor first or picking the Joker pack first? I think there is some difference, and I think it's always the Joker pack first. And basically these are the only 2 things that I am considering right now. The planets, I don't know what type of hand I am going for yet, hence I am not going to risk. It's a bad idea to pick the planet right now. I'm not sure if I told it already. The planets increase the strength of each of the figure kinds. Poker kinds, poker figures. How do you name them? Poker figure? I think it's figure. Whatever. Raffon pack. This is a pack which contains 2 jokers. I can pick one of them for free. Let's take a look at what do I get. This one is an eco joker, and this is a very basic even Steven. Whenever I play an even card, I will get +4 mult. Let's take a look at how many even cards do I have. This is less, this is less, this is less, this is more. I have a lot of 8s. and 4 tens. Kings, queens, jacks and aces are not included. I mean, as you can see, this is only for the base cards. Right now this is definitely better than this. I will choose it. And I think I am buying it. Let's take a look at what do I get. I can convert a single card into a gold card, or I can increase the rank of a card by 1, of 2 cards by 1. I will aim at tens. Okay, let's move on. I will try to increase the rank of tens. Although this is like contradictory with this joker. Okay. I remember that I have a lot of 8s. What about tens? Tens are synergistic with even Steven. Actually, let's keep the 6 and discard the ace. I can see a flush right here, but this flush has only a single 6. Actually, I will count the score. This is plus 4, right? So this is times 8. Times 8. 450 divided by 8 is 50, then 54, right? Or am I crazy? No, I'm crazy. 4 times 8 is not 50. That's 50 divided by 8. It's 16. I'm stupid. Not 8. It's 16, obviously. So, 450 divided by 8, excuse me, is 66. So this is 35, 45, 55. This is enough. I can do something like this. I want to strengthen. Actually, I will use my. So this is the hand that I will use, and this is enough. I want another 10. If I get another 10, then I will strengthen them. This is the card that I need. Discard those. Oh, I have a better flush here. I have no more discards, I am not using the strength right now. I can convert a single card into a gold card. And I will convert, let's say, this jack. Now, if I score... If I finish the game, if this gold card is in my hand, I will get extra $3 at the end. Yep, and this is what I'm doing. I get a single 6, and this 6 is enough. Yep. I think I have to speed up even more. This is a very fun joker, but it doesn't... I mean, it synergizes with my golden card now. I can spend 4 to keep the interest. I can spend 10 and get the voucher. This is a very hard decision actually, and this is very impactful for the run, because it is at the beginning. If I keep the gold now, then I will get to the threshold of 25 sooner, and then I will have the capability of spending gold. I think I am going to go for a compromise and use the Arcana pack. Okay, this is fine. Nothing else matters, I think. Okay, I'm going to double my gold. I have 20 gold. This is very good for me right now. Do I spend 5 on this? The problem is that this joker has a very high potential, but in a specific run, and I don't know if I'm gonna get this specific run. So this is basically high risk, high reward. Actually, I'm gonna redeem this voucher and go next. Now we have a boss. Boss has always an additional rule, which is, I think it's always, no, not always, but very often it is very bad for the player. It is a disadvantage. And this one discards 2 cards per hand played. So, yeah, it's quite problematic. Here I have 8s and let's say kings. How many kings do I have left? 2 kings, 2 aces. So I can go either for kings or aces. I don't know. I am definitely not discarding 2. I am discarding 4, but I don't think it matters which 4. Fuck it. Oh, I made a mistake. I have more jacks, I should have discarded the kings. But we have 5 of a kind. Fun. Score is way more. This one, voucher, it does nothing, but I mean, some vouchers are connected in pairs. You can get the other voucher only if you have gotten the first one, and like the next in line for this voucher is very good. It lets you have another joker. I'm not picking it right now 100%. This one is a value pack, but it has high variance. Once again, high risk, high reward. The risk right here is the gold, so I am trading the risk for money, which is, if you think about it, this is the same. But for this, I have to pay only $4 for Joker. I think it's a deal. Otherwise, I mean, I can buy the misprint anyways. I'm losing my interest also. I want to secure my idea first. This one, plus 250 chips is quite a lot, as you can imagine. But the 2 hand size is also a huge deficit. And this is for spades. How many spades do I have? 16. So we could go for this and the flushes. This one not so much. And this is just the basic plus 4 mult. It's between those two. I think the stuntment is obviously better, but I'm going to go for this one, arrowhead. I don't know, to be honest. Oh, I can buy both. Actually, they are anti-synergistic because for the flush contains of 5 cards, so you want to have as wide of a hand that you can. I'm not sure if it was a good decision. I am also gonna buy the misprint, and despite what I said, I will buy the tarot. Okay, this one would give me 5 gold right now. I'm going to pick it, but I can wait with it. Let's move on. I have a very decent set of jokers. Unfortunately, a little bit unsynergistic. As you can see, I need to get exactly 5 spades, which is... No, I have 6. 5 out of 6 spades, which is rather unlikely. I got lucky. I have 6 spades, and this is definitely enough. 9s, I don't want to strengthen. I want to strengthen the 10s. I'm not sure. This is a little bit inconsistent. How much is it? 3 gold. Now I could use the hermit. I want this one. I will use the hermit, you know. Just because I want this voucher and I don't want my economy to go. Oh, I didn't have to buy it now. I'm fucking dumb. Okay, let's try move on. Let's try the next one. We are going for spades. Looking for spades. More spades, please. We have 5 spades. I got lucky again. I have a lot of hands, so I'm not that worried right now. We are fine with the gold. This would get me... I want this. I don't want to explain myself. Creates a random joker, it's very fine. Oh, I can double my money. I think this is better. And here we are above the interest, and now we can fish for a better joker or something. These planets are bad. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use this one. Plus 3 discards. And there is a reason for that, because I don't have him in my collection yet. This is the only reason. I am going to sell this one now. Okay, this is a very good one, but I would need to discard 8s. I don't think my deck is strong enough to take advantage of this. But, on the other hand, I am getting plus 50 chips. I'm gonna try it. Okay, let's move on. This boss is extra large, and that's it. We are going for spades. This is very good. I have 4 more discards, look. Do I risk it? I think I am. I don't think it's worth risking it anymore. Did I get an 8? No. This is just to get a better flash, but it doesn't matter at all. This should be enough. By the way, the order of the jokers is also important. Well, not in this case, but yeah, in general it is. I'm still waiting to get to see 2 tens. This is a very good... This gives me a value on every shop and a reroll. Okay, we are going for the flashes right now, hence Jupiter is good. Jupiter is the planet for which increases the strength of flashes. As you can see right now, this is 50 times 6. It was 40 times 4, right? So it's way better. This is a very decent joker, but this one decreases its power over time. It would be better than, for example, even Steven right now. Let's try a single planet. Maybe I will get a Jupiter. Very nice, very nice. Actually, if I came to a conclusion, which is very not obvious, that going for flashes is a very consistent strategy in general. You can very often get... I have a single 10. Let's try to get the other 10. Come on. Come on. We have a jack. Actually, this jack is good for me. I'm gonna just go for it. Oh, I didn't check, but it didn't matter at all. I mean, maybe it did. I don't know. Here we have 3 jokers. 1, 2, 3. I don't want either of them. Let's take a peek at what's inside. Gamba. This is a fun joker for us right now. This one is for clubs, but I'm gonna skip it. I like my jokers better right now. Oh. This queen has a seal on it, and this seal does something. This one gives you as a single tarot card if you discard this card. I think I'm gonna go for it. The other I could have also went for the blue seal. It gives you the planet that you have played. I think both are good. Okay. Let's roll once. Oh, none of these, I think. Let's move on. As you can see, I am not even considering... What do I have to discard? 7s. Oh shit, I had 2 10s, right? My bad. I'm very, like, absorbed with talking. That's why I'm making misplays. Yeah, let's go like this. Oh, this is nice. Show me the tarot card. Oh shit. Let's do it like this. That's my bet, okay? And now let's try to... Oh, the planets are bad. Punished. I don't think it matters. I took a high risk, high reward, but in a position where I was safe, so well, it wasn't actually. I mean, it wasn't high risk, it was low risk, low reward. But yeah, I took the risk, doesn't matter, okay? Oh, this is very, very nice for us right now. Plus 3 risk, does this one already... I'm not sure, is it in my collection? Can I check my collection somehow? Is it already unlocked here? Oh, this is the page, I think. Oh yeah, it's here, okay. So I can get rid of it. Plus 3 discards is actually a lot. I'm definitely buying this, but the problem is instead of what? For what? What do I change with? The even Steven? The misprint gives me base mood. I'm not sure how often am I getting the... let's do it like this for now. None of these are like super essential. But I don't want to think about it. Okay, none of these. Let's take a look at this Arcana. this converts into spades. And I am a spade deck right now. So this one is good. I have 8 jacks, right? Yeah. That's not enough to go for the money yet. All face cards are drawn face down. Okay, let's see. So these two I know are face cards. I can sort by suit, and I see that they are both hearts. Just like that. I don't want hearts, hence I can also see that one of them was a jack. The other one I don't know. And this is a spade. It's quite simple. Okay, we have 5 spades right now. There is no reason for me. I mean, there is a single reason to play the 7. I want to get rid of it. The class could be used later on for greater benefit, but for now I am going to just use destroy cards if possible. Oh my god, I forgot about the gold card. I shouldn't have used the high cards because the score was already... This one is fun for me. The voucher, I'm gonna redeem it. Could have proof handy. It's not very good, but I think... Okay, this is plus 10 mold for flashes. This is random. Actually, I am gonna get rid of this one in favor of this one. And now I will open every planet pack. 5 of a kind. No, we are going for flashes. Yeah. This is going very good. I think this run can sustain very easily to the 28. So now the... fuck, I didn't get a jack. Okay, the closest thing that I want... Actually, I can do this. Oh, yeah. Let's move on. We are looking for spades and spades only. If I can, I would like to keep this jack in hand. I had to pause for a little bit. Oh, I can hear that my accent is awful right now. I need to, like, discipline myself. Speak fluently, speak better, use accent. Don't go back to the hard one, to the Slavic one. I will never be able to do it. Oh, this is very fun. This is basically a consistent misprint, which improves over time. I will take it, I think. This one is sucks, but I mean, for now, let's do it like this, okay? The discards are very good for the goal that I am trying to achieve, hence I will keep them for now, okay? I mean, I think I will keep this one forever. Well, let's see what's in the box. Stencils, not it. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of the planets. Let's move on. Spades. On one hand, this is consistent with my goal, but on the other, it's inconsistent because my hand is smaller. There is no reason for me to wait. I mean, to discard any further. 31,000, I am quite far ahead. Okay, this one is worth it for sure. And this one has high, I mean, once again, probability. Oh shit, I wish I would get this hand. This hand, and I go for it. I reroll those 3 until I get a jack. Okay, here you can see some... Destroy 1 random card, which is high. Why did I get 4 jacks right now? And create 3 random face cards. This would be so good. This would be so good. On the other hand, I can take the Deja Vu, which basically red triggers the card. I could put the Deja Vu on this golden jack, and it would give me 6 gold instead of 3, and it could even be used in the flash as a better jack, as a jack that gives me 20. So this is possible. This is a good card for the beginning of the game because it destroys all of the jokers. Okay, except for one, a random one, for example the tribe, and it copies it, okay? And then this one would give me 3 gold whenever the card is played. Fuck you. Okay, that's good, that's good, this is it. I'm not sure if I've gotten the jacks in a correct suit. No, I didn't. I've gotten a single jack of diamonds and a single jack of clubs. And I think I have also gotten a king of hearts. But the thing is, I have 10 jacks right now. I think I'm almost ready to go for it. This converts into clubs, I don't want it. There's no point in re-rolling. Let's take a peek here. Did I get the jack? No. I think we are almost done. This is a bad hand. Actually, we have 3 jacks. What do you think? We have 6 discards. Let's take a look. Give me a jack. Yes, we have gotten it. We have gotten it. Joker unlocked, and let's try to finish the run now. We don't care about jacks anymore. I should have used the bonus. I mean, that doesn't matter. There is some merit to using it right now, and the merit is to keep my hand clean, but never punished. I don't want this one. I don't want this one. I don't want this one. The planets I want, right? Okay, I am getting below my interest threshold, but I am increasing the power of the constellation. This run doesn't have a bright future. Okay, this doesn't. Maybe I should have went for the Royal Flush. It doesn't matter that much. I don't think it is going to go past anti-10. I don't know. I will not even go into endless. This video is already 1 hour long. I need to finish soon. And I could finish by not getting 5. Okay, I will. I have a lot of discards. This record is not that bad. I thought it would be very, very bad because the hand size is such a huge deal. But plus 3 discards is also a lot. And me not getting the... Okay, wildcard. I'm not even looking at it. I don't want it. Do we have a flash? A royal? No, we don't. We have a flash house. Take a look. New type of hand. I'm gonna play it just because it doesn't matter. It have gotten me a lower score because my flash is already so... Actually, it should have gotten me a higher score. Maybe I'm so low on it. I need to up my game a little bit. Especially this Joker sucks. I need more taros. This is a very good for me. This is a very good one for me. Showman is decent, but not for this one. Once again, I am going below my threshold. Ceres, level up a flash house. I don't think Ceres can come up unless you have played the flash house in your run. So maybe playing the flash house was a bad idea there. But once again, this is very, very minor. Actually, you know what? Let's get rid of those 2 cards forever. We have 5. Let's use them. Okay, and we will fish for another spade, so we don't have to use the golden jack. There are some bosses which can prove to be a little bit problematic for me. I'm gonna use this. I'm below threshold once again. Can I get rid of those somehow? No. Oh, I can change them into a single suit. And this suit could be spade. Or I can get 2 enhanced aces, I can get a gold seal on a card that I am not going to use, or I can destroy 1 random card and add 3 enhanced face cards. I don't care about jacks anymore. I think I'm gonna use the sigil. Spade, spade, spade. Fuck you. Okay. I have to go for risks because this is a flash deck. And flash decks do not scale very well into the late game. So I'm trying to find as many risks as I can, and despite that, well, I don't care about this run that much. Oh, this is the new one. For every jack discarded this round. You know what? This is worth it. This is a new Joker, and I am getting it into my collection, that's one. And the other fact is that I have 10 jacks in my deck. Okay, this is fine. Bam bam bam. Jacks. Why did I discard? I have to think about... okay, I am discarding this for sure. Jacks. Nice. Jacks. Well, I have got some synergy, which is surprising. I still think the mold is not gonna last very long. This type of mold. We have times 2, times 1.6, times, let's say, on average 2. And, well, it's not a very huge base, but it's some kind of a base. We have a jack. What? Oh, I see the play. This is the play. And now let's convert this 3 into a jack. I could create a joker, I could convert one of the spades into a steel card, but I can also copy a card. I will copy this jack. Yep, and that's it. I don't want this. Nah. We are discarding jacks. All the jacks discarded. Even the spade jacks. Even the spades jacks are discarded. Nice. So okay, I can discard this. I have one more discard. No jacks. There is no point in discarding anymore. This sucks because I don't want to get rid of any of them. This is basically the setup, I think. But it's so weak. 67,000 is nothing. It looks synergistic, but it's not. I mean, it's not synergistic enough. The base mold, I think, is not great. Okay, let's open. Oh, we get the Jupiter. That's very nice. Right now I am cruising through the game because, yeah, I have already finished my goal. Let's take a look at the boss blind. Playing a flush sets the money to 0. I don't have a choice. I think I have to play the flush. Do I though? No, I think I have to play the flush. There is no way I am not playing the flushes. So I can spend my entire gold or replace one of the jokers here. But which joker would I replace? This one? I think it's synergistic. Am I crazy to think it's synergistic with my deck? I could take this queen, which is wild, and it has a blue seal. A wild card is of any suit, yeah, and here, despite it being in the Queen of Hearts, it can be used as any color. Essentially, as you can see, we have base cards 23, but essentially we have 24 of each of spades, and each of them was like, you get the point. I think I'm spending money. No. Okay, I think there is nothing better than to increase the strength of my constellation. Okay. 4 gold to the flush. I'm flushing. Okay. Let's risk it a little bit. I think I can still risk it. Okay, I have 2 discards left. I could play a royal flush, but I don't think there is a point in doing so. This is not that good. Even with 10 jacks. I have to play for it. Hands are not very useful for me. Well, what have I done? This is a mistake. Actually, I'm gonna sell it and buy the Jupiter. I should have accumulated gold instead of buying a random voucher. I thought I was already on the economy. I wasn't. I had the economy to do so. I didn't. Okay, do we want this to discard this? I think we do. Actually, this. Yep. I have 4 more discards, I can discard a little bit more. I am discarding these 2. Okay, I have 2 more discards, let's keep it like this. This should be enough. 160, very nice, very nice. Soon, I mean, I think even right now I have enough base. How much base do I have? I have 20 base just from the levels. I don't necessarily... What am I doing? This is wrong, by the way. As much as I would love to do it. You know what? It's anti-8. I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna go over. I'm not fishing for anything. Let's keep the gold, okay? Even if it's not enough, let's keep it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. Actually, let's risk it. Let's risk it. We have a lot of more discards. Okay, and this is the last one. Did I get any jacks? Yes, I did. Very nice. Okay, I'm keeping this king. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 52,000. Very nice. 29. I mean, 295,000. Yep. I am gonna buy it despite going below threshold, and let's move on. We're going to cut those 2. Actually, no, we are going to cut those 2. And discard. Let's discard like this. Let's go crazy. Okay, I'm gonna keep the gold. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't want to risk. Okay, never punished. Never punished. I like Wingman. I'm not destroying 2 cards right now, but this is a flush house? I mean royal flush? No, I have 2 tens. Okay, that's fine. I saw that I had the ability to play royal flush, I deliberately didn't. I will struggle so hard listening to myself. But it's good for me, I have to know that it's good. Okay, I want some Jupiters in my hand, and I have the ability to have them, and so I'm going to use it. But it doesn't matter, it's anti-8. What's the boss? All cards are debuffed until a single joker is sold. Okay, I see the play. If I have some ability to reroll the boss, I will take... I don't think... I can't even think of it. But yeah, let's go through it. Oh, here I can destroy those 2. Take a look at the deck. I have only 5 clubs left. Emperor. What have I done? I wanted to use them. This was to use it. It was a misclick. I'm gonna risk it at 4. I'm gonna risk it. No more risks. Actually, I want the golden one in my hand. Okay, there is no point in discarding anymore. 50,000 should be easy. A very fun discard deck, very unusual for a flash one. It's also very weak. This could be handy. End of round. What is a round? I think the game, what I have called a game, within the game is called a round. This would be good if I was able to use it on this one, but it's the big blind, and it's the risk is that it's not gonna. Actually, you know what? The 21 was not great anyways, so let's fish for the Jupiter. Let's increase the value of my constellation a little bit more. And that's it. Here the spades are very, very good. Oh shit. 5. Discard 5 jacks, by the way. Huh, what am I doing? I didn't get 2 10s, but I have gotten a single one, so just strengthen this. And this is gonna go to 6 once again. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the score is... Do I wanna go endless? I mean... Now it's club, and this joker is useless. By the way, I bought it with the idea of this changing into a suit that I don't want and selling it on the boss. It's already an hour and 15 minutes. I think I have to. Let's take a look. Clubs, glass, gold. This is a play, I think. Yep. Okay. Nothing else matters. It's either this or this. I think it's this one. Okay. I think it's Emperor. Or Temperance. I think it's Emperor. What did we get? Fuck you. And Temperance. Okay. So basically, this is +1 gold. I'm gonna use every planet now. I get for the constellation. And we are rolling down to 0. Spades. No. I'm selling this anyway, so... Chariots, yeah. I was lucky. I didn't get the Jupiters here. Unfortunately. Now the question is, do I try to get the Jupiters? No, I'm not using this. Hangman? Hangman doesn't change any. Actually it does, a little bit. Change a very, very minor thing. This also could... Okay. And just like this. Let's do it like this. Okay. I don't need gold anymore. I don't need any of these. It's 100,000, should be easy to get. Okay, let's not risk anymore because I think this is enough. Yep. And we have gotten a jack. Let's make this... I don't know. Maybe like this. I fucked up. Now I see, because I saw the cards from the left to the right. I should have made this wild and steal the 6. I'm gonna do it the other way around. Actually, yeah. Actually, it doesn't matter at all. I can just play it and it's a win. And that's it. Do we want to go to Endless? Okay, I'm gonna just hit the Endless and try to make very, very fast decisions. Every time is added. Nah, dude, no, this is good. I'm gonna go for the planets. Hopefully within the next 10 minutes I'm gonna finish. I need to do some cleaning today. And by the way, I just realized that my plays were suboptimal if I wanted to go Endless. I think I didn't discard jacks. Oh my god, so many jacks. Okay, no more risks. Is this a risk? It is. And I would be punished. I mean, I still have 6 cans, so it's not relevant. Okay, I want to keep this. What's the level? It's 11. Okay, that's strength. Let's use the spectral one. Cryptids on the jack. Sure. Oh. More jacks, more jacks. What am I doing? I should have discarded those two. Okay, I'm gonna keep the ace. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need just a single spade. I have one more discard. I'm not gonna risk it. I would be punished, look. Okay, I want this discard. Okay, that's inconsistent. I want this discarded, so this has to be steel. And now take a look at this Jupiter. It's gonna multiply my score by 1.5. I'm not sure if you saw. I already see that this is not scaling at all. No, no, no. I'm gonna hang you. Not the jack. That's it. Maybe I should have used the planet. Oh, spades are debuffed. Nice. That's the run. I didn't even see that. Let's take a look. What am I gonna get? 59,000. Somehow I have gotten a flash of hearts. Now the jacks I can discard. Let's actually discard this much. But these jacks are not included, yeah? I'm gonna just show you. Yeah, it didn't improve. I can play the empty flash, but... Okay, it's enough. Somehow, some way, it's enough. Nice. So, I'm not sure if you saw the wild Queen of Hearts was also debuffed. Oh, I have one Joker slot which I forgot about. Temperance is good. It's almost 1 hour and a half. I'm gonna suffer. Lucky. I don't think there's anything else here. Jupiter. Yeah, here we go. I don't care about it now. I have one Joker slot, but I didn't see anything good. I should have discarded 5. That's my bad. Full. Okay, we have 2 Jupiters now. What the fun deck. Now tell me, do I risk it like this? I will. Never punished. Never punished. And I will get the 3rd Jupiter in my... right here. I am getting like sometimes 1.5 million, sometimes... This is plus 1.5 and plus 50 chips, which is not insignificant. Unfortunately, no tens, but we have... Okay, Emperor does nothing. We can convert those 2 into spades. We can also make you steel. And this doesn't do anything. This is not great. I'm gonna convert you to... Actually, also you into spades. Converting a spade into a spade is insignificant, it doesn't do anything. Okay, we have this, which means I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna say no to value, especially that I know that I am scoring. Okay, I'm thinking now, it's 840 should be enough, right? I'm not taking too much risk by... okay, maybe it was a little bit risky, but maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think I'm gonna score regardless. Yeah, this is way above, this is 5 million. I think I'm not beating 14 million, so like 2 more antis to go. Full. Let's think about those two. I mean, probably temperance is the best, but I don't want to think about it. And full. Plus 3 hands instead of discards. Something. I mean, this doesn't do anything right now, except for being 0.5 mold. Yeah. I'm buying the voucher just to get rid of it from the pool. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cards face down after hand played. Okay, this doesn't change anything. I win most of my runs, I mean most of my games. Actually, I don't care about gold that much, it's 1.1 million, let's make sure that we are getting it. Okay. I'm still thinking, can I go for the value? Now I think I have to go for the value. Okay, this stays. Nope. One more jack for the good measure. And this should be like 5 million also, right? It's absolutely not. Oh my god. I think those are spades. Now it was 5 million? How come? I didn't grasp something. Is it the pair? Is it the pair? No, no way. Did I not play a flush? I will have to review it on the... Ah, yeah, let's make the game last longer. Why not? Nothing else matters, right? I mean, this probably matters a little bit. Not that much though. That would matter if I got like a baron or something. But then, I mean, this is crazy talk that I am doing. Okay, let's just go next round. Okay, we are discarding the jacks. How much do I have? 4. Do I go for value? Let's make the decision now. I go for value, yeah. Is it enough? I have no idea now. I think so. Yeah, it is. I don't get it really. How did... I mean, we are on the lower ante now. How did that one... 1.4. For... This is 1.5. Yeah. This is scaling and this is not. That's why I'm gonna change it. But... Now I need steel. Which I don't have. I'm gonna take this. I don't wanna roll. Okay, let's keep this one. We are rolling jacks, obviously. Rolling jacks. Rolling jacks. By rolling I mean discarding, re-rolling them, basically. This is not even risky. 1, 2, 3. This is actually a risk. Never punished. Three quadrillion. This takes so long. Oh my god! I thought I would be finished in an hour and a half. Strength, it's not great. I could strengthen my constellation, but let's not think about it. So I see planets, I buy planets. I'm not sure if using the Jupiters is even that bad. Maybe using them would be good because I increase the value of the constellation too. I think this is the only play that I have. Oh, it worked. Strength sucks. Let's take a look at steals. No steals. Well, maybe. All clubs are debuffed, which is insignificant to me. Let's discard the jacks. What am I doing? I'm not discarding this ace ever. Let's use this. Oh, you are debuffed. Mother of fuckers. I am discarding this queen for sure. I was thinking about it. Well, it has a blue seal which doesn't work. And the jacks. Blue. Can get the Jupiter. Wow, thank you. Really? That's so kind of you. I don't think this is that risky. I mean, it's... Okay, it didn't pay off, but I was not punished either. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is definitely over $1 million. I mean, right? It has to be. Yeah, it's 7. It looks like I made beat 14 million. It's better than I thought, but it's still not scaling fast enough. Oh my god. Don't tell me it's gonna last so much longer. I need steel. No steel for me. I have gold. Okay, if gold, then the gold not on a jack. But I think bonus is better on those two. Yeah. Soon I will have to finish the run on its own. I mean, by myself, without dying, which I am usually, as you can see, not doing very often. We are approaching the doomsday. This is a very interesting joker, but it requires so much setup. And this is also interesting. Well, I have a run with those two now. No, not yet. I have 4 discards. I'm gonna keep the queen. I'm gonna use the glass now. Okay. This is a low roll. Do I risk it if it's a low roll? No. I like all of them. Okay, the king can be discarded. I can play those two also. Let's discard. How much do I have? Times 5. Not that bad. Justice shall be served. Well, I am using 3 glass, but fuck you. Who cares? Who asked? Oh, I heard that something broke. Didn't pay attention at what. Man, let's buy it. Let's go Celestial, Jupiter. I think the 14 is in my grasp, but it's gonna be rather hard. Doesn't matter. 4, 5. I should have did... my bad. I fucked up something. It's not a risk. Even this is not a risk now. Oh. Oh, fuck you. Punished. Finally punished. For my greedy play. Oh my god, all three are good. I'm just gonna play. I don't care. Oh, I misclicked. Changed my window by mistake. I shouldn't be making the mistakes on this stage of the run. Okay, I have the world. I'm definitely not destroying a jack. Oh shit. Actually, it's fine. But the question is, what do I play? Is this the play? I think this is the play. Oh, I can keep the king in my hand. Good. This still is 1.4. This is still worse. But eventually I will get this skill, right? Well, not this time. What about now? How much cards can I destroy? 1, 2. All those queens here. This king, this 2, this 2, this ace. There are some for me to destroy. You know what? Even though there are some, let's go like this. Because now we can use the Emperor judgments. I have a Joker slot. Dude. This sucks, but this doesn't. And we get a free reroll. And we get a strength. For a single 10. Nah, no. This one is not gonna change anything. I need to go back to 3 Jupiters. Pog! If we just were able to convert all those jacks into kings, this would be good. Right, otherwise it's not. I'm gonna waste 1 gold. Must play 5. I am playing 5 anyway, so yeah, it doesn't change anything. We have 2 bonus cards. Three more discards. 2 more discards. Last discard. Do I want to death now? Yes, I have to death now. No, I can bonus. I can just bonus. Really? Okay, we have a death. This is gonna be 2 hours. I'm not... Actually, let's use it. I'm not sure if I have it in my collection. 300 million. Yeah, finally. Okay, I had to pause for a little bit. Let's die. Oh, we can death this. But we can death something else. I think I'm not gonna death the spade. Oh, this is a good death target. This. Nice. Judgments, which is useless. Okay, I have to... Give me spades now, please. Give me a spade, please, please. Yeah, nice. I mean, does it matter? I'm not getting it. I'm not getting 300 million. There's no way. I'm gonna risk it like this. I'm crazy to keep this queen. Okay, let's play a pair. Maybe I played the last hand badly, but it doesn't matter. Trust me, it doesn't matter at all. There's no way I was getting 300 million. I maybe could have gotten 100 million. But that's it. Yeah, here is the city if you wanted to play this specific one. I played Flash 42 times. Very interesting setup. I wanted to keep it because I never played like this. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I'm gonna struggle watching it. I mean, I'm gonna struggle while watching it. Yeah, I think I said it grammatically correct, probably. 1 hour 41 minutes. Oh my fucking god. This is so long. That's it. See you tomorrow. I will try to record like thrice, maybe 4 times a week. We'll see.